Hello! Today we are going to be making baked sweet potatoes. Let's start by washing off our sweet potatoes in the sink. Then go ahead and take a knife and poke some holes in your sweet potato all the way around. Microwave your potato between 4 and 8 minutes. You'll know it's done when you can easily poke it with a fork. There are many different ways to dress your sweet potato. You could just put it with butter and season it to taste. Make it a bit sweeter by adding some melted marshmallows and some brown sugar. Or for a surprise, add peanut butter with cinnamon. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to experiment a bit.